Have you ever pictured a world where the frozen expanse of Antarctica was once a lush, green jungle? The Piri Reis map, a fascinating cartographic artifact created in 1513, may hold clues to this forgotten past. Celebrated for its remarkable accuracy and mysterious illustrations, this map intriguingly depicts what some believe to be the coastline of Antarctica centuries before its official discovery. This raises tantalizing questions. Was Antarctica once ice-free, brimming with dense forests and diverse wildlife? Could ancient maps like the Piri Reis provide evidence of Earth's dramatically changing climates and landscapes? Join us as we delve into the secrets preserved within ancient maps, exploring a world vastly different from our own. In 1929, a remarkable discovery was made in the Topkapi Palace Library in Istanbul by Gustav Deismann. Amidst a collection of parchments, he unearthed the Piri Reis map, a world map drawn on gazelle skin by the Ottoman Turkish admiral and cartographer Piri Reis in 1513. This map appears to incorporate many features that were not supposed to have been known about in 1513. This historical artifact has since captivated scholars, historians, and conspiracy theorists alike, not just for its intricate detail and accuracy, but also for its enigmatic portrayals of the globe's coastlines, including what some believe to be the coastline of Antarctica, mapped over 3 centuries before its official discovery by a Russian expedition in 1820. The map is renowned for its astonishing precision in depicting various coastlines. For instance, the eastern coast of South America and the Caribbean islands are outlined with a precision that far surpasses many contemporary maps of the era. The Brazilian coastline is detailed with river inlets and capes which many European maps at the time either overlooked or misrepresented. Moreover, the map is filled with annotations that provide a rich historical context, shedding light on the maritime knowledge of the early 16th century. These notes are not just practical, detailing crucial information about ocean currents, but also ethnographic, offering insights into the early encounters between Europeans and indigenous populations. The map even ventures into the realm of the mythical, with depictions of legendary islands and sea creatures that reflect the folklore and seafaring culture of the period. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Piri Reis map is its depiction of a southern landmass connected to South America by a narrow isthmus. This portrayal includes detailed geographical features like mountain ranges, bays, and inlets that bear a striking resemblance to the subglacial topography of Antarctica as it might appear without its ice sheet. These details are speculative, yet align curiously well with modern seismic data, despite the fact that this area was not officially discovered until 1820 and not accurately mapped until much later with advanced seismic equipment. This unusual depiction on the map suggests that Admiral Piri Reis may have had access to source maps of remarkable antiquity and accuracy. The theories surrounding the Piri Reis map open a captivating chapter in the study of cartography and ancient civilizations, intertwining historical mysteries with speculative archaeology. This fascinating map, far exceeding the geographical knowledge of its time, has led some to propose that it might be based on sources from a pre-glacial era, potentially crafted by an advanced maritime civilization. Such a theory not only challenges our understanding of historical timelines but also sparks broader discussions about the sophistication of ancient societies. The hypothesis of advanced ancient mariners suggests these navigators possess the technological expertise to travel vast oceanic distances and create precise maps of their voyages. This level of proficiency would necessitate a deep understanding of astronomy, mathematics, and physics, attributes that are evident in civilizations renowned for their astronomical prowess, such as the Maya and the ancient Egyptians. Moreover, the widespread myths and shared architectural styles across distant ancient civilizations, such as pyramidal structures in Mesoamerica and Egypt, hint at a possible global interaction facilitated by seafaring skills. It is worth considering the possibility that a remote common ancestor might have passed down key information inherited by later cultures. These connections could suggest that these societies shared more than just architectural concepts, potentially including cartographic knowledge. This idea is supported by archaeological parallels such as the legend of Atlantis, described by Plato as a technologically advanced civilization lost to the sea. Often regarded as a myth, the story of Atlantis resonates with those who theorize about prehistoric cultural exchanges facilitated by a seafaring civilization. Such narratives provide a metaphorical framework that some scholars use to conceptualize real yet undiscovered advanced maritime societies. Another compelling site that aligns with this theory is Göbekli Tepe in modern-day Turkey. Dated to over 10,000 years ago, this site features sophisticated megalithic structures predating Stonehenge by thousands of years, challenging conventional views on the development of early human societies. The complexity of Göbekli Tepe suggests that advanced societal structures and knowledge systems, possibly including navigation and mapmaking, could have existed much earlier than traditionally accepted. These insights open up the intriguing possibility that ancient civilizations were far more interconnected than previously thought. If advanced knowledge of navigation, mapmaking, and architecture could have been shared among these early societies, it suggests a level of sophistication and communication that modern scholars are only beginning to understand. This hypothesis challenges the traditional timeline of human development, proposing that our ancestors might have possessed advanced technologies and knowledge systems long before the advent of recorded history. Exploring these ideas not only reshapes our understanding of the past but also encourages us to reconsider the origins of cultural and technological advancements. Whether through the shared legends of Atlantis or the archaeological marvels of Göbekli Tepe, these theories invite us to imagine a world where ancient civilizations were far more advanced and interconnected than we have ever realized. Additionally, mysterious underwater structures like the Yonaguni Monument in Japan add to the speculation about advanced prehistoric civilizations. These formations, controversially interpreted by some as man-made, might represent remnants of a sunken civilization that had sophisticated maritime technology. Such underwater discoveries continue to fuel debates and curiosity about the extent of prehistoric human achievements and their capabilities to navigate and understand the world around them. It's fascinating to consider how archaeological discoveries could provide a foundation for legends of advanced ancient civilizations. This integration suggests that stories of seafaring gods and heroes, such as Poseidon or Gilgamesh, might not just be mythical tales but could actually represent cultural memories of real historical figures from a globally connected ancient world. Take, for instance, the Vinland map, which surfaced in the 20th century and is purported to date back to the mid-15th century. This map includes a depiction of Vinland, a region of modern-day North America's northeast coast, famously associated with Norse explorations around the year 1000 AD. The controversy surrounding the map's authenticity, particularly debates fueled by conflicting scientific tests on the ink and parchment's age, adds a layer of mystery. If genuine, the Vinland map would be the earliest known depiction of the Americas, predating Columbus' voyages. Another intriguing comparison is with the Kangnido map, a pre-modern East Asian map from 1402 created during Korea's Joseon dynasty. This map predates both the Piri Reis and the Vinland maps and shows a generalized view of the known world at that time, including an oversized China and India and a recognizably outlined Arabian Peninsula, reflecting the Joseon dynasty's keen interest in geography and its diplomatic relationships, particularly with China and Japan. The Kangnido map underscores the historical significance of cartographic knowledge in facilitating trade and diplomatic missions in East Asia. Unlike the controversial aspects of the Piri Reis and Vinland maps, the Kangnido map is well documented and recognized for its historical accuracy within the context of contemporary Asian knowledge. These maps not only showcase the cartographic skills of their respective cultures but also highlight the global nature of medieval exploration and the interconnectedness of various societies through trade, exploration, and possibly even shared mythologies. Delving deeper into the history of cartography, it becomes clear that maps from different cultures and eras offer unique insights into the geopolitical and philosophical mindsets of their creators. For instance, Ming dynasty maps from early 15th century China, such as the Deming Hunni II, an amalgamated map of the Great Ming Empire, showcase an impressive level of detail and scope. These maps present the world from a distinctly Chinese perspective, centering on the vast expanse of the Ming Empire while also extending to parts of Africa, Europe, and the rest of Asia. The cartographic techniques used were advanced for the time, incorporating grid systems and a consistent scale, which European maps only started to use inconsistently much later. Unlike many European maps focused extensively on maritime exploration, Ming maps prioritized land masses and political boundaries, reflecting their primary use for administrative and imperial purposes. This examination of the Kangnido map and Ming dynasty cartography illustrates how different cultures prioritized and represented their worldviews through maps. While European maps often emphasized sea routes and exploration, Chinese maps were more concerned with land-based administration and territorial governance. This difference underscores the varied purposes and philosophies driving mapmaking in different regions. Ultimately, studying these maps reveals the rich tapestry of medieval exploration and the diverse ways societies understood and documented their world. The Cangnedo map, along with others from the Ming dynasty, provides a fascinating glimpse into the advanced cartographic knowledge and global perspective of medieval Asian civilizations, contrasting with and complementing the cartographic traditions of Europe and other regions. Thank you for watching another episode of Just Discovery. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for future updates on more exciting videos. See you next time.